welcome to another edition of CIDEB News. Today we're going to talk about the effects of chemistry in modern world. Up next is our friend Esteban talking about the contributions of chemistry in medicine.
Now in this section we're going to talk about contribution of chemistry in medicine. Many people ask themselves why chemistry is involved in medicine. Well, it is involved because liquid medicines or pills are made up of chemicals and mixed substances that help to kill every organism that is damaging our body, like bacteria and parasites. Also, thanks to chemotherapy, cancer tumors can be reduced, and this has been a useful treatment for people. This is a medicine that is called metamizole sodico. It contains sodium of the periodic table. This boy has a stomach ache and I will give a pill for him to feel better. Now this boy will be better in 1 hour thanks to the chemical of this medicine.
Well, now I'm going to speak about how chemistry is involved with food. Well, chemistry is involved with food because of the chemicals and all those things that chemistry has around it is like it's used for the processes of food. Like for example, it can be like the fertilizants for crops, for the processes of like purifying food or purifying water. It can be too, and most of the times that's like the principal way that is chemistry involved with it.
Hello everybody, my name is Francisco and I'm going to talk about the chemistry in warfare. Well, chemistry is related in all types of war. One example of war could be the World War I, World War II, Cold War, any type of war that you can imagine. And you will probably ask, why? Well, chemistry had created too many weapons, bombs, equipment, tanks, airplanes, etc. As the time passes, chemistry have more advances in weapons and in bombs, like make them more powerful, cause most damage and be more destructible. Like the atomic bomb that they throw in Japan that killed too many people and caused too many damage. In my opinion, I think that we are using chemistry in a wrong way. Instead of making more improvements or making more things that facilitate the life in Earth, we are destroying the Earth. Well, my reflection would be that chemistry is everything, and without chemistry we will probably don't have all these things that we have today. Well, this was all about this topic, and we will proceed with the next topic with my friend Asael.
Hello people, my name is Asael and I'm going to explain you how chemistry is involved with global warming. Chemistry is the branch of science that studies matter's composition. Global warming is the increase of temperatures in Earth's atmosphere. Most of the global warming is caused by the pollution, which is mainly caused by burning fossil fuels. This is how chemistry is involved. The particles of carbon dioxide are thrown in the atmosphere, making it weaker and weaker, causing the melting of the poles and the changing of climate in some parts of the Earth. Hey people, now I'm going to give you 3 possible ways of how can we stop the polar ice caps melting. There's a lot of things we can do, but one of the most important is to stop using the car. If we use the public transport or a bicycle, it will reduce the use of fossil fuels and its burning, causing less pollution of our air. Other possible solution is to avoid using aerosols. It literally kills the ozone caps that lets the ultraviolet rays pass through the Earth's surface and causing the increasing of temperature in our Earth. Other possible solution could be the not burning trash. The carbon dioxide particles are the main cause of the global warming, which is the guilty of the changing of Earth's temperature and the melting of the polar ice caps. These are some of the possible solutions you can do, but there are even more. So please, be conscious and let's help our planet. It's the only one we have, and let's keep it for a long, long time. Well, that's all from my part. See you later, and I hope you reflect about this.
Well, that was very interesting in my opinion. By the way, some of our reporters made their reflections about all these topics. Let's see them.
There are good contribution and bad contribution of chemistry in modern world. Let's say that good contribution are medicine and food. Medicines by those medications that help us to prevent disease, and food by the vitamins and minerals that help us to be healthy. But there are also bad contributions like global warming, all the toxic gases that go to the atmosphere and cause the greenhouse effect. This greenhouse effect causes the melting of polar ice. Other bad contributions is the chemicals used in nuclear bombs that were used in wars. There are bad contributions and good contributions, as I already said, but we can prevent that bad contribution that is affecting our board and take approach of that good contributions of chemistry. Thank you.
Well, in my opinion, chemistry was a great discovery because it has helped humanity in many ways, like making more easy things with all the engineering and technologies and all those things. It has contributed for medicines, like for pills, for vaccines, for treatments for cancer, and many more things. And like for food, for the processing, for the purifying, for the fertilizants for crops, and a lot of things. And even for warfare. Warfare is not like a good thing, but has also contributed to that, like with nuclear weapons, nuclear bombs, and many more things. In my opinion, we couldn't live at these times without chemistry. Why? Because the human has already adapted to the facility that chemistry gives for life.
My reflection is that chemistry is everything, and without chemistry we will probably don't have the things that we have today.
I think chemistry and all the other sciences help us on so many things in life. Like everything that was mentioned before. I hope you like this video. Thanks.